Hello friends, once again this is my unknown personality. Today I am going to tell you about the new tablet that announced by Huawei company. In this video I will unveil its feature, leaks, rumors, specification and price. So watch till the end. Let's start. But firstly subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more interesting upcoming videos notifications. A new tablet that is announced by Huawei to fit into our revamped ecosystem. It's called the MatePad Pro and comes in both 12.6 inch and 10.8 inch model. It's safe to say the 12.6 inch MatePad Pro is the one Huawei drawing more attention to, and it's easy to see why. The front of the tablet dominated by a huge OLED display that takes 90% of available surface area. That's enabled by even skinny bezel on all four sides, and the fact that there is no punch hole camera cutting and face. Instead, the Huawei pushed its selfie or video call camera into the right bezel, meaning it's ideally placed for a video call in landscape mode. It's not all that impressive about the screen. Its Word HDR10 screen is joined by an 8-speaker system for loud, immersive stereo audio for video call and voice calls. There are 4 microphones for far field pickup and noise cancellation. It's powered by the Kirin 9000E chip, featured a 10,050 mAh battery for up to 14 hours of use and support for Wi-Fi 6 standard up to 1.8 Gbps. That battery supports 40 volt supercharger for fast refill while also supporting up to 27 volt wireless charging. There is even a triple camera system on the back joined by a 3D depth sensor area. Hardware is only part of the story. However, HarmonyOS is the big play here, and its massive change over the previous EMUI based software. However, it's safe to say the Huawei may have taken some inspiration from Apple iPad OS. The software even features something called FreeScript, which is just like the iPad Scribble, allowing you to handwrite in text field with redesigned Huawei M Pencil. The M Pencil has been redesigned to make it really easy to use, thanks to having a transparent tip, allowing you to be really precious. Like its predecessor, you can snap it magnetically to the side of the MatePad Pro and it will charge wirelessly.